Happy video day, guys. So for today's video, we're gonna be doing an unboxing of my June BOXYLUXE. I have it sitting right here. I'm so excited to get into this box. So guys, this is gonna be my first month that I didn't like go through Boxycharm to kind of like see what the sneak peeks are. I know some of the stuff that's in this box, and that's only because it's kind of all over the place already. So some little sneak peeks I've already kind of seen, but for the most part, like I can probably name 2 items that are inside of this box, and everything else I don't know. And so this month I'm gonna be just like randomly going through this box and showing you guys what I got in my box. You guys will see my reactions, and then whatever I can try on my face, I'm going to try on for you guys. So I'm excited. Like you guys know, the June BOXYLUXE is their larger Boxycharm box. So there's the $21 a month subscription for the Boxycharm monthly subscription, and that inside of those you get like 4 to 5 full-size products of makeup. So BOXYLUXE comes around quarterly, and instead of getting the regular box, if you upgrade, you can get this bigger box, and the bigger box I believe has 8 to 9 products or something like that. Also include a few other things like skincare, and sometimes I think they even put like nail polish and stuff inside of these bigger boxes. So this box is a little bit more of a variation box compared to the regular Boxycharm that's usually makeup. But I'm really excited to open up my BOXYLUXE, so we're gonna go ahead and get into that right now. So guys, if I don't look that put together today, that's because I am not. I just finished getting out of the pool actually, and my daughter passed out, and there's something with pools and kids, and when they go in pools, they get like super tired. So I was like, no way. She's like super asleep. And then I saw that Boxycharm got here, and I was like, I might as well film my video. I'm probably gonna get like so much time now, so I'm crossing my fingers that she sleeps good and I could film this entire unboxing without her waking up. I don't know. So like I told you guys, I didn't look in this box. So I really don't know what's in the box. Usually I prepare my face so that I could try on a lot of the stuff for you guys. But like I said, I had no idea if this box was even gonna get here today. So I literally got the FedEx confirmation today that it was shipped out and it said delivered. And I was like, oh, okay. So I didn't know this box was getting here. So let's see what we've got in here. Okay, so first thing is this little paper right here. So the theme is Getaway, and the number that I got for BOXYLUXE is 6B. This one right down here. So that's my variant, is 6B. It looks like we've got a lot of stuff in here. Okay, so the first item we got in here is, ooh, Living Proof Full Dry Volume Blast. Ooh, what is this? This is interesting. Make some room on your vanity for your new Living Proof Full Dry Volume Blast. This styling spray creates instant volume and texture that almost as light as air for a big lasting results on dry hair. Huh. Okay, and this retails for $29. Now this is interesting. Okay, so this is kind of like a dry shampoo, and I kind of need that right now. My hair's a disaster. All right, so like I said, I was in a pool. My hair's dry, but I may have some chlorine in there. It may not look that pretty. So this actually might be a good test to see how this thing works. So it says to split your hair, shake it, and spray it. Ooh, that was scary. Shake. Oh my goodness, this thing sprays like a lot. Let's see if my hair goes from crazy to voluminous. You know this smell? This smells reminds me of like, you know, like when you go to a salon and they have like those really delicious smelling shampoos and stuff. That's what it smells like. It's not like chemical smell. It's like yummy. Ooh. So I was outside in like this 90-degree weather, and my hair had gotten a little bit disheveled. Hey, this looks kind of nice. I don't know. Obviously my hair is not in the best condition right now, but I do think it added a little bit more volume to it. What do you guys think? Huh. All right, I think I'm gonna like that. So I'm excited about this product. This is really cool. I've heard a lot of stuff about Living Proof, so that is really cool. I think I like that. I think I really like that. So that was a really fun first thing that I opened up. Okay, so what do we have here? So this is from Trestique. Ooh. This is the Trestique Good Vibes Mascara. Treat your lashes to the ultimate curling, lengthening, and volume fun with your new Trestique Good Vibes Mascara. This all-in-one lash curler tool, lash enhancing mascara, gives you everything you need to take your lashes to the next level. And this is a $25 value. Oh, cool. So inside of here, it actually has an eyelash curler. That is interesting. So this is an eyelash curler slash mascara in one. So that could be something pretty interesting. I kind of have mascara on right now, so it's not going to really be able to tell you guys like if it works or not. I'm either going to use this or I might give this away to one of you guys because I have so many mascaras open right now. All right, so let's keep on moving. So the next thing that we have in here is this. Ooh. Okay, so this is from Farmacy, and it looks like this is a night serum. Now, Farmacy is a brand that a lot of people really, really enjoy, so I'm excited to try this. This is the Farmacy Honey Glow. This is a 3-in-1 night serum that resurfaces, hydrates, clarifies dull skin while you sleep. So it retails for $58. This is expensive stuff. Ooh, I'm excited for this one. What does this smell like? It says like honey stuff. Ooh, this is really cute. Ooh, I'm excited. I'm really excited for this product. This looks really, really cool. I'm excited to try this one out. This looks really cool. And so far, so good, guys. It actually looks like so far we've gotten like 2 skincare type of things in here. And this one also looks like it's a skin type of thing. So this is from Skin&Co. And what are you? Okay, a Radiant Dew Mist. Huh. So let's see, this is the Skin&Co Truffle Therapy Radiant Dew Mist, and it says it's a hydrating mist formulated to soothe, perfect, and illuminate the skin, and it's $35. I think I'm going to try this because my skin needs some illumination. Does it? Ooh, that was not what I expected the smell to smell like. It's minty, like, it smells like mint. I'm not sure I'm a huge fan of the smell. It actually smells like a spa. You know how like when you're sitting down in the spa and like they start putting like all those mint type of smells around you, I guess it's supposed to relax you and stuff. That's kind of like what this smells like, but I don't know if I want to like spray that on my face all the time. I don't know how it's going to work. I'll let you guys know if I use it more often. It is a little bit refreshing, I guess, because it has that mint in it. It feels refreshing, but I just was not expecting that smell. That threw me off. What is this little bag? PYT. Shut up. Is this a blow dryer? Oh my god, it's a blow dryer and it's purple! Oh my god, I love this color. This is like one of my favorite colors ever. It's lilac. I love this. And it has one of these things. Oh my god, and it has another one? This is the cutest thing ever, guys. This is so adorable. Oh my god. This is from PYT. It's the Mini Turbo On-the-Go Dryer. And it says it's a powerful, portable, lightweight, and easy to use. Not only will it decrease drying time, but reduce frizz. And it's an $85 value. Oh my god, this is really, really cool. This is going to come in super handy for me, for sure. There is a lot of stuff that I would actually use this for because, honestly, I honestly don't have a mini blow dryer like this, and a lot of times when I go places, unless they have like the blow dryer, you know, that's like part of the hotel room, I always forget to bring my own, and I'm like, no, and I always hope that they have those blow dryers stuck there, but you guys all know those blow dryers are terrible. So this is super handy. It doesn't take that much space in a luggage, and I love this. This is a cool product. I think this made the whole box for me. Okay, so we got another No Poreblem primer. This is from Touch in Sol. We got something like this recently in another box. How is this one different? So this is the Touch in Sol No Poreblem Prime Essence. Oh, so this is an essence. Let your makeup stay while your new Touch in Sol No Poreblem Prime Essence. So this is an essence, and it's $23. I don't really think I like essences, to be honest, guys. I think I'm gonna just give this to one of you guys in a giveaway because Touch in Sol has really, really good products, but I usually don't use oily type of products. Usually for primers, I look for something that's a little bit more putty-ish, if you guys know what I mean. I think I'm gonna give that one to one of you guys for sure because I'm not gonna get use out of it for sure. Okay, so then we have here from Dr. Brandt. So this is really cool. I don't know why mine got a little dinged up, if you guys can see. I think the black from the Dr. Brandt kind of like got all over the place. But this is the Clean Biotic pH Balance Yogurt Cleanser with Chlorophyll. That's really cool. So this is a yogurt cleanser from Dr. Brandt. Dr. Brandt usually has pretty expensive products. Let's see what this says. Multitasking cleansing yogurt that melts away grime, makeup, and excess oil for the skin to be hydrated and never stripped. So this retails for $35. That is really neat. Dr. Brandt is a great skincare line. It feels like Dr. Brandt is always inside of Boxycharm. Like you get a few products from his line throughout the year, which is really, really cool because this is a good brand. So this is pretty interesting. I'm not 100% sure if I'm going to give this to one of you guys as well. Oh, we got a palette. I knew there was a palette in here. So this is the Tarte Pro Glow V3. So what does this say? This is your everyday staple. It's 6 shades and it's a Pro Glow cheek palette formulated with Amazonian clay that delivers a streak-free, flawless wear. So this is A cheek palette? A cheek palette? I thought it was a bronzing palette. What do you look like? Ooh, that's cute. Those are nice colors. So that's really pretty. So you've got 2 blushes here, you've got 2 highlighters here, and you've got a bronzer, and you also have one that has a little bit more of like a sheen to it. That's really nice. So since I don't have anything on my face, I'm gonna go ahead and try this for you guys. So let's try this bronzer color right here, and let's see how it warms up my face. It looks like this is like a lighter tone. I think this is gonna work for me. So let's see. I thought it might be a little bit too warm, but no, I think that this might work. And I don't have any eye makeup on, so maybe I'll use some of this as eyeshadow as well. Maybe I'll use the one that's like a little bit glistening as eyeshadow. It's a little bit on the red side for my taste when it comes to bronzers. Tanness to me. I needed that. Even though I was out in the sun, I always put on so much sunblock, guys, on my face because I do not, I just don't like the sun. So I'm gonna grab a little bit of this and put it in my crease. I just don't like these mirrors. Like, these are just really annoying because they're so small. Like, who's gonna do their makeup with this? Like, seriously, I can't do my makeup with that. So I'm gonna have to use another palette just to kind of do my eyeshadow. I'm gonna add this as eyeshadow. Like I said, I wasn't sure what was gonna be in the box. I knew that there was a palette and I thought it was a face palette, but just in case, I left my eyes undone. So, like, if you wanna look for like a super bronzy look for the summer, you can put this on as an eyeshadow and then just put the rest on as a bronzer. And that gives you a really nice bronzed eye. Okay, so let's jump this color right here. I'm gonna just put on my finger and kind of just pat it on the lid. Give myself a little sheen. That's really pretty. That I like. Sorry, my monitor's all the way down there. My husband took my tripod today, so my monitor's like down here. So sorry if you guys see me looking down. I'm gonna grab a little bit of like the highlighting shade and just put it on my lid. That's really pretty. Look how pretty that highlight shade looks on the lid. So I just grabbed into this more peachy toned one and just put it on the lid as well. And that looks really pretty. So let's add a little bit of color. Let's add, I'm gonna jump into both. Why not? Ooh, that's powdery. That's gonna be pretty pigmented probably. This mirror. Ooh, that's a pretty color. It's nice and pinky, but without being like obnoxious pink. You know what I mean? Like, it's giving me some nice color. Let's grab this highlight right here. The only thing I really can't stand is these mirrors. Ooh, and that's a nice highlight. Okay, Tarte. I like this. This is really nice palette. Very, very pretty. The retail on that was $45. So that is a really nice retail value, and this is really good. So that was a win. And we have one last item in this box. Oh, I knew I was gonna get this. So this is from Dominique Cosmetics, and this is in the color Peach Tea. That is the color that I was hoping to get, so this is really exciting. If you guys don't know, I already ordered the Dominique Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. It was supposed to get here today, but it looks like Sephora did a little bit of a mistake, and I'm not gonna get it till Monday. So I'm hoping to have that video up for you guys on Tuesday. So I'm so excited to try this. This right here is from Makeup Forever, and it is Wherever Walnut. Beautiful color. I'm really excited to try this. I actually wanted to buy these when they came out, so it smells like cotton candy. This is actually the color I wanted to buy. And there we have it. That is really, really pretty. I really like this so far. It doesn't feel like super glossy, like obnoxious. It does have this delicious smell to it, but like I can smell it still. It smells too delicious. Like, almost like I want to eat my lips, which is like not that great. Like, I wonder if I'm gonna keep licking my lips because it smells really, really good. Like, almost like if I have a yummy candy on my lips right now. Like, yum. So that's the Dominique Cosmetics Lemonade Lip Gloss. It's a hydrating shine and fullness to your lips with this lightweight, non-sticky balm like lip gloss by Dominique Cosmetics, and it retails for $17. So my entire box retailed for $352, which is really insane. For the amount that you pay for this box, that is such a good value. value. I honestly feel like Boxycharm has done really good for the most part. Even the times that I don't like the box, I kind of know that pretty soon another box is going to be good. They haven't really let me down too much, and I really like this box. There's some items that I like more than others, but I, for the most part, really like a lot of the stuff. Guys, I really like this box a lot. Let me know below if you guys like the box that you guys got. I want to know what you guys got in your box. But yeah, this BOXYLUXE this month was really good as well. BOXYLUXE has so far been pretty good for me. I honestly like a lot of the stuff I've gotten in my BOXYLUXEs. So anyways, guys, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you guys did, don't forget to leave me your comments below. Give me likes so that YouTube recommends this video to other people. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you like me so you see me again. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye.